Understanding Honor Graduate, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, honor graduate. This is a term you might encounter in educational contexts, especially in the United States. Let's dive into what it means and its significance. An honor graduate refers to a student who achieves a high level of academic success. Typically, these students are recognized for their outstanding performance in their studies. The criteria for being an honor graduate can vary by institution, but it often includes having a high grade point average, GPA, excelling in coursework, and sometimes participating in extracurricular activities or community service. Being an honor graduate is a prestigious accolade. It signifies that a student has not only met the basic requirements for graduation but has gone above and beyond. This distinction can be beneficial for future academic and career opportunities, as it reflects a student's dedication, intelligence, and work ethic. The concept of an honor graduate varies across different countries and educational systems. In some places, it might be tied to specific honors programs or societies, like the National Honor Society in the U.S. It's essential to understand how this term applies in different contexts. To become an honor graduate, students typically need to maintain a high GPA and excel in their courses. It often involves a lot of hard work, consistent study habits, and sometimes, engaging in additional academic or community activities. Schools and universities usually have specific criteria for this distinction, so it's essential to be aware of these requirements. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning of honor graduate. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Remember, this term signifies exceptional academic achievement and is a goal many students strive for. Keep up the great work in your studies, and see you in the next video.